Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix this error when you try to install any program, which is this one VC runtime 140. So how you can fix it? It's a DLL file that needs to be fixed. So let's get started and show you how you can fix it. This works for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So the first thing is open up your browser, and here we will download this. There are two files. There are two files that we need to download, is this 32-bit and 64-bit. So how you can download it, just click on this one here, click on download, and it will start to download, and you just save. And again, you start to download the 32-bit. You need both of them, and make sure your Windows system is 64-bit. Now we can close the Chrome. So I suggest you to make a folder. So right click, make a folder, and we will just let it like this. And then here we will have this folder, and now we click on the 64-bit and we just drag this and put it here. Now we're gonna close. So just extract the 64-bit, and now we're gonna go to start and type in this PC and click on this, and here we click on local disk C, and then we're gonna scroll down until we see Windows, and now we have to find system 32. Once we're here on system 32, we right click on this, copy, and we paste here on this folder, in this folder, and paste. And then we click this replace the file in the destination, and the file should be here. Now we go to the 32-bit, so we're gonna delete this one now here from the folder that we created. Now we have to click on this 32 and extract the 32, and now we go back and we gotta find the folder which is called system wow 64. So we have to enter in this folder, and we just right click now on this one, copy, and paste it here again. But this is the 32 file, this is not the 64, so make sure the 32 goes into 64 and 64 goes into system 32. So we just click on replace the file. After that, then you go and install the program that you want, and the error should not be appearing anymore. So now if the error still persists, and is still there, you can try and download this Visual Studio C++, this program from the Microsoft. So you have the 64 and 86, which is 32. You download both of them, and you just go click on save here and install them like a normal program. So I'm going to show you, just click on them and you just go ahead and install them like a normal program. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.